everyone, it's Emma from Deshi Kitchen by 3Cs and today we are making baked pineapple. These are so tasty and melting your mouth delicious, and definitely this recipe is so easy. I hope you guys will certainly like this recipe, so let's get started the whole process. For this recipe, I'm taking a whole pineapple and cut it into small pieces. You guys can shape this according to your own choices. Firstly, I'm taking red chili powder half teaspoon, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoon, mustard oil 2 tablespoons, and salt as per taste. Now add this mixture with the pineapple pieces and mix them very well. Just before started baking, brush some melted butter on the baking pan, which will add a wonderful smell on it. Now it's time for baking, and we baked at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So come back after 50 minutes later and our pineapple baking is almost done. Now you can serve this yummy dish and take a big bite. I hope you guys will love this recipe, and if you did, just give it a thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe to our channel.